Hi friends, we will start with the sixth chapter, that is refraction of light. In last year and last 2 years from 8th we have been studying about the reflection of light. Now this year we are going to see the refraction of light. What is refraction of light? When light passes from one medium to another medium, it changes the direction, and this change in direction is known as refraction of light. See, light changes its direction when going from one transparent medium to another transparent medium. This is called the refraction of light. Simple example, if you take the pencil and put in the glass filled with water, then you will see the pencil is just bending. Same phenomena is shown here. Here it is air medium, this is glass medium. Rays are passing, this is incident ray. Instead of passing in this way, it passes this way and again come out in this way. Both are the parallel lines. This is the practical we have done in the school time. This refraction obeys some law, and those are called as the laws of refraction. Incident ray and refracted ray at the point of incident N are on the opposite sides of the normal to the surface of the slab at that point, that is here CD, and the three incident ray, refracted ray and normal are in the same plane. And second one is, for a given pair of media, here air and glass, the ratio of sin I to sin R is a constant. Here I is the angle of incidence and R is the angle of refraction. Now what is refractive index? Before that we will see the refractive index. The value of refractive index is different for the different media, and also for light of different colors for the same medium. The refractive indices of some substances with respect to vacuum are given in the table. The refractive index of a medium with respect to vacuum is an absolute refractive index. And important thing is that refractive index depends upon the velocity of the light in the medium. See in this table some materials, substances, and their refractive indices are given. Now the twinkling of stars. Does really the stars twinkle? Now we will read that local atmospheric condition affect the refraction of light to some extent. In both the above example, the air near the hot road or desert surface and near the holy flames is hot and hence rarer than the air about it. The refractive index of air keeps increasing as we go to increasing heights. The first case above, the direction of light rays coming from a distance keeps changing according to the laws of refraction. And after that, the apparent position of the star. See here, star is there, a person is watching from here. Sometimes star looks here, sometimes here. This is called as the apparent position of star. After that, there is dispersion of light. See, for that, what is dispersion? The process of separation of light into its component colors while passing through a medium is called the dispersion of light. For that, we will see this example. This is an prism, glass prism. A sunlight ray is incident on this face. It gets refracted into its seven color, and further it gets broad spectrum and gives the its constituent colors. This process is called as dispersion of light. Now last point is partial and total reflection. When the light enters a rarer medium from a denser medium, it gets partially reflected. That is, part of a light gets reflected and comes back into the denser medium as per laws of reflection. This is called partial reflection. The rest of the light gets refracted and goes into the rarer medium. You see this here, partial and total.